Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off cellular data for applications on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the cellular. In the cellular, scroll down and go to cellular data column. Then, choose the application that you want to turn on the cellular data. For example, the App Store. Just turn on the switch button, the astronomy, books, calendar, camera, clock, or compass. And this is how you will turn on the cellular data for every applications. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off our cellular data for applications on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!